One, yeah. God alone, Jah alone. Sing in the shadows, I wander, my heart heavy with the load. So I lift my hands high, I trust in each step on this road. The whispers of hope surrounds me in the depths of the night. I know I'm never forsaken. I'm guided by faith's light. And Jah alone, God alone, hear my woes, hear me, oh, fix it all, he's gonna fix it all. God alone, Jah alone, nobody else, no blue soap down a river, no candlelight service, straight God, kneel, city and prayer. Best believe that God will believe in a better carry through long uphill climb, but we have to get there because I'm sure the way we are patient, we are clasp our hands and close our eyes and wait upon God's grace and wait upon God to drop the dividends.